guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hey lovely, my name is Jennifer Melanie. If you want to dye your hair, get it honey blonde or a little bit brighter than mine, keep watching this video until the end. I'll be posting my beautiful tutorial on how I did this hair step by step, and of course I will be giving you all the details. Keep watching this video until the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Comment if you have any questions, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay,
starting off, I haven't washed my hair in about a week, which is good. If you haven't washed your hair in about 2 weeks, that's even better because you do need those natural oils before dyeing your hair. Right now, the brand I'm using is Dark&Lovely 384, which is the light golden blonde, and you need lighter colors for dark hair. It comes with a color resistant cream, conditioner, a height leaf booster, and a fade liquid that I will be mixing all together. Just look at me. Before anything, I'm already vibing. I don't know how to act when I listen to Under the Influence. Like, please stop. I'm having a whole performance. Anyways, you do need to put on those gloves, and I recommend you reading the rules, but no worries, I got you. Before we get into anything, you have to detangle your hair with your fingers and then gently comb it out with a comb. Once the hair is detangled, go ahead and mix the cream developer and the height leaf booster. The height leaf booster acts as a bleach, but it's not a bleach. So I'm going to remove the small cap and press my finger at the tip and shake it well away from yourself, away from your eyesight. After you're done with the first mix, you go ahead and add the rich conditioning hair lighter, which is the liquid, and mix it well. Now go ahead and grab a towel just to protect your clothes away from the hair dye. So I got my oil and I make sure I put it all around my hair. I personally do this because when I dye my hair, I treat it as if I'm getting a perm. I'm starting the process at the back, and I'm doing this little by little. If you did notice, my ends are slightly colored because I dyed my hair about a year ago. First, I apply the dye where my hair is dark, which is the middle, and do not apply it to your scalp yet. Keep the dye about a ½ inch away, and I'm saying this because it'll get heated, and if the scalp is already colored before the whole head is, you'll be forced to wash your hair without even getting the results you want. In the process, I'll show you how to balance and get the color all over your hair. As a result, I went for an ombre look, and this is the reason why I am not applying the hair dye near my scalp. I used one full bottle at the back of my hair, and I will mix the second pack once I get to the front. Now, you might be wondering why not just mix 2 packs at the same time. I'm doing 1 pack at a time because I'm avoiding the suffocation and inbreed of these hair dye chemicals. Once I get to the front, I repeat the same concept I did at the back, which was detangle my hair softly, gently, mix the same products all over again, and as you can see, I started adding the dye in the middle of the hair and towards the end, but not by the scalp yet. Please pay attention to how I applied the hair dye into my hair and how I keep going back to spots where I feel like needs more hair dye. Now that I'm done adding the color to my whole head, I make sure that I grab my plastic cap and just put my hair all in it, and this is just to generate more heat. And also, after using this plastic cap, I'll go ahead and grab another plastic bag from Walmart or anywhere. They come in clutch, you see. I use those plastic bags just to generate heat and make the process faster. I do know people use aluminum foil. However, the light golden blonde 384 pack that I already use already reacts very quickly, so I don't think it's necessary, and I usually don't add aluminum to my hair or anything like that to cover it. So 2 bags is enough. So far, while doing this whole process, it took me about 25 minutes applying the dye into my hair. And probably also because I was recording, I was simply checking my phone to see if everything is still good. But it might be shorter to you. Right now, I'm just putting a 20-minute timer after the 25-minute application of the hair dye. After 20 minutes, I made sure I went here and checked after those 10 minutes. And after those 10 minutes, I still went back and checked after the last 5 minutes. I hope that made sense, that I didn't confuse you. I checked after 10 minutes and this is me checking after the 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, I was like, okay, good. It's looking how I want it. Mission complete. So right here, I'm just grabbing my special gloves and I'm about to remove my hair. This is the reveal. I love the color and I didn't want to go lighter. It might look a little bit darker in the camera, but I promise you it's light. As you saw in the intro, the color stood out and I did not go back and added any product. I promise you that. Now I'm simply showing the hair color, the front, the back, the side, in between. Perfect. Loving it, loving it, loving it. The total time spent with this hair dye in my hair is 45 minutes. You do not want to exceed 60 minutes. And these are even the rules from the box. Finally, I'm ready to wash and condition my hair. Shampoo. I'm using Argan oil. Argan oil brand is what I'm using. But I will still be using my Dark&Lovely conditioners. Voila, this is me after conditioning and shampooing my hair. I did not shampoo my hair as much, but I sure did condition the hell out of my hair. I spent about 15 minutes just washing every dye, rinsing everything throughout my hair, and it's so beautiful. My curls are still there and defined, and you just need to make sure that you moisturize your hair as much as possible after dyeing it. This is the main tip I will give you after your hair dye.
Thank you guys for making it to the very end, and I hope you enjoyed and learned how to dye your hair without bleach. And if you have any more questions, or if I didn't mention anything on the voiceover that you needed help with, feel free to comment and I'll be glad to answer everyone. Okay, bye guys.